We're on the RFZ, a little bitty dirt bike, so 125, doesn't really matter what kind it is. So the issue right now that I'm having with this dirt bike is that this bad boy won't start. Been having it sitting for a while, and I really think that my carburetor is gummed up. But anyways, nevertheless, I pulled my spark plug out, which was right here, and this is the exact same size as the one that you would get on a vehicle. Some are not like that, so here's a little bitty hack. We're gonna see if this works. It smells like a whole bunch of gas, like the carburetor was flooded with gas. So I won't let my spark plug spark. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna give this thing a couple kicks, see if I got any gas squirt out of my spark plug hole. May or may not, I don't know. We better check this out though. Okay, well, it doesn't feel like it if I'm further, but I can't get a good kick anyways. So ideally, if your spark plugs, if you're getting too much gas in there, you'll have gas just freaking squirting out. That doesn't seem like it's the issue here. So I wonder about this. I wonder if I'm getting any spark at the end of that bad boy there. I mean, I guess I could test that, and I mean, I can show you a way to check that real quick. Alright, so my light is too big to fit inside this cylinder, so here's another way you can check it. Quick hack. Go ahead, take your spark plug, put it back in there. Then you're gonna hold it against, you know, your muffler or something of that nature. And I'm trying to kick this and hold the bike at the same time, which is freaking impossible to do. Let's see if I could just keep it right about there. And zoom in a bit on it. So the idea is to see it spark while you're kicking it. See that little bit of spark? That little light. So I know that I'm getting spark coming from my ignition, which is good. I'll go ahead, chunk it back in there. I'm getting good spark coming through there. So the only issue for not to be starting right now is I'm not getting gas going to where my spark plug is. So here is the carburetor. Gas comes in, comes back down, comes down there. I don't have a flood condition because I don't got gas squirting out of here. So my carburetor could just be stopped up. Alright, we did get the bike on, as you can see, out in a way, and I actually didn't have to do anything other than I cleaned off the spark plug with the wire brush. There goes your hack. You clean your spark plug off with the wire brush, put it back into place. I kicked it a few times, kept my choke on, and now I got it running. That's what we got there, folks. So make sure you join the hack channel where we're getting all the hacks out in the open, to where these guys can't charge you an arm and a leg anymore. Like, subscribe to the channel.